What is up, Jerk Squad, and everyone else, welcome to the channel. I am the Perch Jerker, and today we are going to be cooking a bat ray steak. I'm calling it a steak because it's pretty much a big steak. I am going to show you how I'm going to cook this bat ray, and I'm going to make this taste good. I don't care what it takes. There's a lot of speculation about bat ray meat, and a lot of people say it tastes horrible. I actually ate some ceviche, which is in the Catch Clean Cook video that I made at the pier the other day. I'll leave that link right up here so you guys can watch it if you want. The first thing that I'm going to do with this is put it in the sink and wash it off with water. I've got the bat ray completely washed off. Dude, you guys have to see these fillets. Look at this. Let me get it up close to the camera. Get some light on there. Dude, this thing is wild, you guys. This is wild. I've never had this before. This is some straight up bat ray meat, fresh from a bat ray that I caught today. So apparently, it's really hard to get these things to taste good, but that's my mission. And I know there's a lot of you guys that can catch rays all the time and you want to cook them, so we're gonna figure out how to do this. Now, I was told a bunch of tips. One of the tips is to use milk, and you literally just coat the entire piece of bat ray in the milk, and then you let it soak in the milk, and it helps get all of the funkiness, I guess. I guess there's funkiness in this, I don't know. But I heard if you put it in milk, let it sit for a few hours. I'm gonna let it sit for about 3 hours. I'm gonna do 3 hours just to be safe so it has maximum taste possibility. And then after that, I'm gonna season it up, a secret recipe, and you guys are gonna know it, and you're gonna see if it's good. I'm gonna taste it. I'm not gonna lie to you, so make sure you stay tuned. I'm gonna cook this thing and eat it. Let's see what happens. I put it in the milk, I let it sit and soak, and it took out some of the red color in the meat. And if you look on this side, you guys, it has like ridges. Like you can almost like open it up and you can see there's like ridges in it. And that honestly is pretty promising, so that way I can get some seasoning in there. And then the other side is just flat. And that's what you get. And then at the bottom, there's these little dangleberries. I don't even know what those are. Let's start with this side with the openings. I'm going to use sea salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and soy sauce. That's it. First thing we're gonna do is stick some salt in there. Make sure everyone's having a good time. We're gonna slap some garlic powder in there. Everyone loves garlic. Now we are going to add black pepper. Going to flip this steak over and repeat. There we go, you guys. We got the marinade chilling. Look at that. That looks honestly good. Okay, we are going to light our stove and turn it on medium-high heat. Okay, once your pan is heated up, you're gonna wanna put in some butter. Shout out to Dick and Ramos from work. Straight butter. We are going to drop this bat ray steak into the pan. Ooh, look at it go, baby. Damn, we're out here having a good time. Now we are going to flip the steak. All right, I'm gonna flip this again. Damn. I don't know, this is actually looking pretty good. As you can see while cooking it, a little piece of it broke off, but it's no big deal. While I'm here, look at that, dude. That thing is sizzling, dude. Oh, I can't wait to try this. That's gonna be so sweet. All right, guys, you already know it's time for that jerk master privilege. Let's eat. But before I eat, I'm gonna show you this filet, dude. Look at it, oh my gosh. Honestly, dude, this looks fire, man. That's like the New York strip steak of the sea, dude, I'm telling you. This might be good, we'll see. All right, I'm gonna cut this in half. Huh? I don't know. You guys tell me. Does that look good to you? Would you eat this thing? That's the inside of it. You can see the meat slightly. It looks pretty cool, I don't know. I think it's cool. But we're gonna find out how it tastes. And I'm serving this with some avocado because I live in California and it is a state law to eat 1 avocado per day or else you will serve prison time. So I'm gonna make sure I eat this. I'm eating the avocado, guys. All right, let's cut into this bat ray meat, I guess, and eat it. Let's go. Let's do this thing. All right, here we go, guys. This is my bite that I'm gonna take, a little steaming chunk. It's a good time, trust me. All right. I mean, it smells good. Here's a moment of truth. I'll give you guys straight up, too. I'm not gonna mess around. Okay. That's not bad. Who says this is bad, dude? Man, that tastes good. You kidding me? That is good. You want to know what this tastes like? It tastes like a mix between fish and chicken. I don't know. Maybe it's just the way I prepared it. This is good, man. I guess if you get all the funky flavor out and... This isn't bad. This is literally, it's almost like slightly cooked chicken. You know, it has like a really juicy taste. It's not bitter at all. There's no funkiness. Dude, this is good. I could see how people eat this 100%. Wow. I like it. This is good. I would eat this again. Wow. Okay, well, I thought I was taking one for the team here, guys, but I like this, dude. You could feed a whole family steaks, dude, everyone. This is good. Just took it through thoroughly. Wow. With that being said, like and subscribe to the channel. Go down in the link in the description and cop some Perch merch. It's cool. I look cool. You can look cool too. Let's all look cool. It's a good time. Maybe it was my recipe. Maybe it's the milk trick. Maybe, I don't know. But I don't see how people could not like this. This is like any other fish, but it tastes like chicken almost. It's like even better. Dude, you can cook Bat Ray. Wow. Alright. Another cooking video brought to you by the Jerk Master. Keep jerking, guys. Thanks for subscribing, tuning into the channel, everything. You guys are the best. Alright, you guys, have a good one. The Perch Jerker is out.